Hi everyone, I hope my friends are doing great and I also pray that the corona episode is over soon. So, to sweeten our time, let's make some Gulab Jamuns. These are all the ingredients which are used to make the jamuns. So firstly, we are going to make the batter. We'll add milk, suji, we'll add Indian cottage cheese, half teaspoon baking soda or a pinch of it, and also add milk powder to the maida. Now we will knead this mixture into a tight batter. After kneading for 5 to 10 minutes, we have the perfect dough for our jamuns. We can also make pantuas with this dough. In this video, I'll only show the Gulab Jamuns. Now we need to roll squishy jamun balls using ghee between our palms. One stand will make the ras with sugar, elaichi, bay leaf into water. And now we will fry the jamun balls. After jamun balls are ready, we'll put them in the ras. We can also add some saffron threads into the ras to add color. Finally, our mouth-watering gulab jamuns are ready at home. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.